All wildcats old enough to hunt their own prey gather around for a clan meeting. Okay, I shall appoint a deputy. Autumn, you have served this clan for many moons, or months. Will you take training, attacks, and fights beside me? Yes. Then you may step up with me. Congratulations, Autumn. Now I must appoint someone to go hunting. Sapphire, will you go on a hunting patrol? Yes. You may then. Thank you. Now we need someone to go on a border patrol. Sapphire, will you take your place to go on a border patrol with Smoke? Yes, I will. Same here. All right then, you two can go on a border patrol. Be careful, because dogs can attack. Be safe, cats. Gotta stop prey. Wow. Phew. God. Time to bring this back to camp. Or back to the clan. Yeah, Sapphire, I agree. This place doesn't really have much. Yeah, Smoke. I don't really see much. Let's go. Whoa. What do we have here? A bunch of kitties. Hey, we're not cat. We're not kitties, we're cats. Sapphire. No. What, are you a little scaredy cat? Not a scaredy cat. Yeah, I'm not either. Well, it seems so, because of your expressions. I suppose now we have food. Carry it. Just taking this to my clan. Just taking this to my clan. Hey, twin, how are you? Sapphire, I need your help. I need to go back to the clan. There were a bunch of dogs on the way, and I lost Smoke. Smoke is dead? Yes, he's dead. I must go back to our leader. Oh no. Can you help me carry this rabbit though? Sure. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay, so leader. Yes, Sapphire. My sister and where's Smoke? He didn't make it. He didn't make it. What happened? There were dogs and he didn't make it. They took his body. Probably to feed on him. May we let him rest in peace. I'll put this in the prey pile. I guess I think I'll be going to bed. I'm going to lie down. I'll go in mine. Go in mine. I'll go in mine. I'll go in my den. Me too. Hey, look, it's those kitties again. Wonder if this is their territory. Doesn't matter as long as they have good food. You're right, boss. Yep. Seems these cats are all asleep. They have a bunny. That won't do. We need better food. Let's get out of here. Hey, wait, it's those dogs again. Someone wait. Let's see. Ah! Oh, look, it's that scaredy cat again. Oh, yeah, it really is. Why is everyone so afraid? Yeah, for real, why is everyone so What's going on? Oh no, dogs. It's that little scary cat again. Sister! If you want to get my sister, you'll have to get through me. Oh, that will be easy, little kitty. We are not little kitties. Meow. Hey, get off our boss. Wow. Wow. Get off me. Pack, retreat. We've done enough work for nothing. We already have enough food. Yeah, you're right, boss. Off me. You better run, you little dogs. You're not little. Don't come to our territory again. That's all the fuss about. Ah! Don't come to our territory again. You hear me? Everyone, meeting now. Yes, 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 yes. We have lost Smokey in a battle. His soul shall go to the cats of heaven. We have all been attacked. We must get stronger, everybody. You all hear me? Meow if you hear me. All right, good. We have been attacked by dogs recently. Now is not the time we shall back down.